Hey Thinksters, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student, Juan. Sorry about that. So welcome Juan to the freelancer course. Great to have you on board. So I think you made a great decision. In these welcome videos I want to give you some overview or present some interesting niches that I found on Upwork, and today, as it turns out, I found a very interesting niche. It's no rocket science, right? The niche, like everybody of us knows that that machine learning and deep learning is on the rise, but still I think many people don't have it maybe on the top of their mind, right? So I would just repeat it here. One very interesting way to make money on Upwork is to sell your machine learning services. And there are many different machine learning frameworks that can help you do that. One of them is Keras. Keras makes use of TensorFlow and like Python to help you create deep learning models easily, right? And there are many tutorials out there, and actually on the Thinkster Computer Science Academy we have some Keras and TensorFlow tutorials as well. Juan, all courses are free for you as a Thinkster freelancer student and lifetime premium member, so you can check out the existing courses, the future courses and upcoming courses, and all previous courses as well. And check out the deep learning courses we have there if you're interested in this niche. So, and why should you be interested in the niche? I mean, first of all, it's future proof, right? If in the future we will see like deep learning and machine learning is not going away soon, ever. I think we will have AI for the rest of humanity, and the importance of AI will just increase over time, and there's no way it will not become more important in the future. But second of all, it's also very profitable to do, right? So if you learn this skill, you can sell your skills for really premium hourly rates. Here we see Flavia making $100 per hour. Here we see Gonzalo making $40 per hour, which is like which is like already like I think attractive for many people. If you work 8 hours per day, then you can make like $360 to $400 per day already. Here we see Adam. Adam makes $65 per hour. If you check out the Thinkster freelancer course, we have many videos from Adam. Adam was actually one of our freelancer course students, right? So he started with Thinkster. He had zero experience, and he has not even started on Upwork before he started with the freelancer course. Then he started with the freelancer course, and this catapulted him to high levels of success on Upwork. And we have many videos. We even have a whole sub course in the freelancer course from Adam. It's called How to Thrive on Upwork, and it was one of the mostly liked and mostly enjoyed lessons. And you see Adam makes $65 per hour, has a very high job success score, is top-rated freelancer, earned more than 70K since he started, and I think you can learn a lot from Adam, so definitely check out the videos from Adam in the course as well. And I would suggest to just start with the course now. Thanks again for joining the freelancer course, and see you in the course. Bye.